Hello guys, trust you are all doing good. I go by the name KY once again. I welcome you all to this class. Today we'll be taking the mouthpiece. And then before then, in case you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and then share with family and friends as well. Thanks for doing that. So our first thing we'll be taking is a scale. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So from down, top, down. Very good. So we are moving to the next thing, which is the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece I'm having here is 7C mouthpiece. Okay, 7C mouthpiece. So we are learning how to pitch or do the tonguing. Okay, most of the times people start with the paper pitching. Paper pitching, you put the paper in your tongue and then you try to spit it out. Okay, so it's very simple. You just pitching, it's just as if you have something on your tongue. Okay, and then you just do this. And make sure it is very clear. That's not the right way. Okay, so you just do something neat. So hope you have your mouthpiece with you. Okay, so you are not taking, we are doing the same thing into the mouthpiece. Okay, so you need to know how to position the mouthpiece on your lips. Okay, you can just close your lips a bit and then put it there or place it there. Okay, then you start it. The same inside. And make sure it's coming from your stomach. Okay, so your stomach will be popping up. Something like that. Okay, so now we'll learn how to sustain the sound. Hope you are getting it. We'll learn how to sustain the sound. So you pitch once, and then what you do to sustain the sound is you just add air to it and make sure the amount of air you put in first. Don't decrease it, don't increase it. The moment you increase it, the sound will change. It will be okay. Meanwhile, we don't want that. We want just a note, straight note. So you just maintain it that way. Okay, so you are taking just one note and then sustaining it. You pitch, then the air follows. Okay, good. So, before, what I just did was I was just changing it. If you want a higher pitch, the only thing you do is one simple thing to do is your down lips, you just close it, send it up. Okay, and then pitch, you get it. But if you want a down note, you just open your lip down. So that's the secret. If you want a higher note or higher pitch, you close your lips. If you want it down, you just do what? Open your lips in the mouthpiece and then just pitch or do the tonguing. Okay, very good. So we'll take double tonguing for today. You pitch twice. Padam, 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 up, padam, 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 padam. Okay, it also helps because the tongue is not used to it. So you have to try it for it to be okay with it. Okay, for now, as a beginner like us, how we all started. Your mouth will be itching you a bit. It's normal. Okay, it's normal. As time goes on, you get rid of it. So we are doing double pitching or double tonguing. Okay. Okay, the same thing with the one that you add, you just keep adding it to it. Okay, good. So how to cut the sound? How to cut the sound on the note? You see, you don't pitch and then leave it. No, it's wrong. Okay, you pitch and then cut it. And then one simple way of cutting the sound or cutting the note is after pitching, if you want to cut it, you just send your tongue in up there and then close it. Then to just cut how you want it. Okay, so you just do that. So you can just cut it. Okay, very good. Hope you enjoyed the class. Once again, I go by the name KY's Music. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share with family and friends and loved ones as well. See you next time. Bye bye.